Toyota Land Cruiser 2008 Upgrade 2024 LC30 Full Kit. Complete inside outside. Full as you can see dashboard fully changed. With speedometer, steering wheel, gear console with wireless charger. All plug-and-play seat leather, microfiber floor mat, door sill and exterior fully charged hood, fender head, light front bumper, rear bumper. Back door window trim, side mirror, roof, rack roof, spoiler, side step rims and tire, all full body paint. Let's do it! Available in different colors. The highest option plug and play, all options are working like in new models. We accept bank wire, cash, crypto USDT, worldwide shipping. For details, price, and order, feel free to contact us. 9715688-8491. The best regards. Cardction Car Accessories, TM. #tuning. #bodykit. #wheels. #exhaust. #Brabus. #Novitec. #Mansory. #Rolls-Royce. #Cullinan. #Rolls-Royce Seculin. #Cullinan Mansory. #Land Cruiser.